Pet owners know that buying a new dog toy is risky business. If it's too complicated, they'll lose interest, and if it's not durable enough, they'll shred that baby to pieces. Luckily, this list has everything you need to keep your fur baby entertained long-term. Between interactive balls that won't leave them bored and durable ropes that promote healthy teeth, they'll be in doggy play heaven. Check out the link in the description. 1. Indestructible Bone Chew. Forget the puppy dentist, these tough-to-chew bones help clean teeth and promote oral health while tasting just like bacon. S Dog Bone. This super tough bone is made of thermoplastic, which fuses together the plastic and rubber elements. In other words, it's going to be pretty tough for your pup to chew through it. 3. Kong Cozy's Dog Squeaky Toy. Kong makes plush toys with squeakers inside too. This one is made with an extra layer of material, so it won't get ripped to pieces as soon as your dog gets his paws on it. 4. Mad Scientist Toy. Give him a lab coat. Once he flips these treat-filled beakers, his experiment will be a success. 5. IQ Interactive Treat Ball. Fill this ball with his favorite treats and watch to your pup's delight as they fall out while he rolls. Check out all products links in the description below.